I had one task to do. Just one. I needed a script, a few images, a video clip. Basic stuff. By the time I was done, I had 14 tabs open. ChatGPT in one tab, Midjourney in another, CapCut over here, ElevenLabs over there. And I'm sitting there thinking, why does creating content feel like managing a second job? What if I told you there's one tool that does all of it in a single tab? And there's a fourth feature inside it that almost nobody don't even know. I'm saving that one for last. Now, before you click away thinking, okay, another AI tool, I've heard this before. I get it. I thought the exact same thing. But Qwen AI isn't just a chatbot. It writes your scripts, it generates images, it creates videos. And that fourth feature I mentioned? I stumbled onto it by accident, and it genuinely stopped me mid-workflow. I'm switching to the screen in just a second, but real quick before I do, drop a comment right now and tell me which feature you think you'd use the most: scripting, images, or video. And if you guess the fourth one correctly, I'll reply to your comment personally. I'm genuinely curious. All right, let's get into it. All right, the first thing I want to test is the scripting, because this is where most creators spend the most time. I'm going to type, write me a short YouTube script about Qwen AI, and watch what happens. Okay, look at this. It automatically drops me into the chat box, and the output is actually solid. There's a hook, a structured body, a CTA. Everything you'd spend 30 minutes building in a Google Doc, done in seconds. And I actually used this exact workflow for a video last week. So this isn't just a demo, this is my real process. Now, quick question. How many of you have a completely separate tab open for Midjourney, or DALL-E, or any other image generator right now? Because I did, every single day, until I found this. Watch, same tab, no switching. I'm going to copy the visual description Qwen gave me in the script, click the plus icon, and select Create Image. It automatically switches into an image generation model. Right here, same chat. Now I'm going to paste that text and hit Generate. But let's not stop there. What if we push it harder? Not just a simple prompt. A complex scene, multiple elements, specific lighting, a particular style. I don't know why this still surprised me every time, but it does. And here's something I didn't expect. It actually generates visual ideas for every scene in your script automatically. So you're not sitting there guessing what to create, you're just executing.
I decode the best AI tools every week so you don't have to. Subscribe to Decoded AI Tools and never miss a single one.
All right, download the generated image right from here. Done. Okay, I want to ask you something before we move on. At what point did you think, all right, there has to be a paywall somewhere? Because I thought that after step 1. Then again after step 2. Spoiler, still no paywall. Let me show you the video feature, because this is where it gets genuinely powerful for content creators. Same plus icon. This time I select Create Video. It switches into the video model. Still the same tab, same chat. I'll add the reference image we just generated, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. And while that's loading, just think about what we've done so far. The script, the images, now the video, all in one place, no switching, no juggling tabs. There it is. And now, the fourth feature. This is the one I didn't go looking for. I found it by accident and genuinely had to stop and reread what I was looking at. Lip sync. You upload a reference image, a character, an avatar, anything. Tell Qwen what you want that character to say, and it animates the lips to match perfectly. For faceless channels, for explainer videos, for anyone who does not want to be on camera, this changes everything.
I decode the best AI tools every week so you don't have to write it. Subscribe to Decoded AI Tools and never miss a single one.
So that's Qwen AI, scripting, images, video, and lip sync, all in one tab and zero juggling. If you've been burning time switching between tools, genuinely give this a try. The link is in the description. And if this saved you even 1 hour this week, send it to a creator friend who's still got 14 tabs open. Help them out. Next week, I'm testing a tool that I think replaces your entire editing workflow, and I'm not exaggerating when I say that. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.